Hiya. Hey guys.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to another go-kart video with us, Bear Family.
Which car are we working on today?
Well, we're working on the Cadet Kart. Last time we did a bit on the
OG,
the original gangster. Over there with the seat and all, and a couple of things with the engine.
You can see that episode probably there.
Like top right corner.
Somewhere. But
wherever it is.
Where it is, somewhere. But
on the screen. So
some of the things that we had issues with before that we were like, don't know what we're going to do, we've actually solved quite a lot. So we did quite a lot off camera because we didn't realise we were going to
come. A video?
Yeah.
We weren't really like, oh, let's do a video.
No, we were just we were speaking together trying to solve problems, and we were like, oh, should we just go down and try and hack some stuff out? So we ended up doing it. So
good news is we've done some pedals. So
yeah, but even bigger than that, we fitted the brakes,
the brake caliper,
and the master cylinder. This whole system.
The brakes work completely. Like we tested them out. Not like what we did with the last go-kart. Like we pushed me down the hill. Guinea
pig. No, we didn't do that.
Because the reason for that is one, the chain, and it's a bit dangerous because it's gonna get caught on something, and that we don't really want that to happen.
Yeah.
Seats are not fitted either.
But another big progress point is we've got the rear axle on.
Yes, rear axle is on, and that's.
It was good. We had again a few challenges with that, and as you can see, this sprocket is incredibly close. I mean, this.
It was a lot closer before.
Yeah, it was. I mean, all of this is a bit kind of Frankensteined together. Yeah. It's not meant to go together. This cart's obviously meant to have a two-stroke engine. The sprockets are supposed to be on this side. This is not supposed to be for this sort of application, and it's not supposed to sit here. But what we managed to do is we managed to raise the axle slightly to give us just enough clearance through here for the chain to actually sit. I mean, it's close, but it fits.
It's fine.
It's good enough. It's within our tolerance.
I've actually just realised we might have to take a couple of thingies off the chain.
No, we'll definitely have to take a few of the links out.
Few.
I just wanted to see if we had enough clearance around there, because before we were just hitting it and it was a no-go. It wasn't fitting at all. We're probably going to have to raise the engine using this plate. We might not.
If you remember during the OG car, we bought this exact plate here for the engine.
For this engine.
And
but it was
got a better plate because this one was too small.
It was too small, didn't fit.
And so we're going to use that engine.
Yeah, well, we might.
We might.
The idea of that was to try and lift it, because most people have the issue where the air filter fouls the tyre. But what we might just do is get an aftermarket filter and just
we did with that one, we're just.
Because why not?
It makes it look a lot cooler.
It does make it look a lot cooler. I think that alone means that we should just do that and just sack it off.
We're just going to do that.
Let's
now.
just do that.
It's just going to be so much more simple.
But the whole front end is done.
It's done, which means
pretty much. I'm pretty sure.
Once we've got the engine on and the air fill, and once we've done the stuff with the engine, we need a clutch.
Yeah, we don't
have a clutch yet.
So we have a clutch on the way,
which is good.
So that's coming. So then we also need some bolts, because we can't put the engine mount on because it didn't come with bolts that actually screwed into the bottom brackets to hold it on. So that's a bit of a pain in the arse. So we need to actually go and find some that fit. But once we've got, another thing that we do need to make sure that the back is complete, we mentioned before, another reason we can't go down the hill.
Oh, yeah.
Grub screws. These didn't, you can see it's just easily spinning there. So I need some grub screws for this back axle to hold it into place. Once we've got those grub screws...
We all know why the grub screws are important.
Why are they important, Zach?
Well, basically it makes the bearing carriers turn with the axle. So that basically
and it stops
it stops it from moving side to side.
Exactly.
If you remember from the old go-kart, the OG, we had the same problem with the chain, the sprocket, and it from moving side to side.
We'd think we'd learn these things, right? So now at least we need the grub screws.
this is a project. We might learn a couple of things on the way, but we might do it again, but we will lose that knowledge and just make the same mistake.
No, that's not true. We
honest,
make different mistakes.
But to be honest, I think we were around here a lot after. Like, we've learned a lot of stuff from the old go-kart, which made this so much easier.
I think we've got to this point, like rolling and not far off. I say I'm not going to jinx it because I do that every time, saying not far off. Working. Totally. Yeah, so I'm not saying that, but we've got to this kind of a bit more
knowledgeable point.
Yeah, a way quicker than we did with this one. This one was like a mass learn.
If you don't remember, this was that one was just slow.
It took us a long time. And look, we still have challenges with this one. I'm not going to lie. We tweaked a lot, but it's getting there. Now it's got the fat ass seat, which again you can see in this link there. And this one, it fits perfectly within this space. So
as you can see, this
OG seat, my favourite.
OG seat, yeah. It's gonna go with the new blue go-kart. I'm kind of sad, one because the colour doesn't really go.
It doesn't match, but it's Kevlar and it's sweet
match.
I know.
So I'm actually kind of sad about that, but anyway.
But I can fit in this one, so it's good, and you can fit in this one,
which is good.
And the great thing is now, so if you sit in it and give us a demo with the pedals and everything, now we put the pedals on the wrong place to start with. I was like, they don't even fit.
Yeah,
they do.
Had them
we're
all
idiots.
The way in front of here.
Yeah, I was like, why have they got these holes here? So I put them in there, and I was like, well, that doesn't really work. And none of the stop screws or anything work. It made no sense, and I was like,
it didn't make any sense at all.
And then I looked at what I was doing, and I was like, well, what are these holes for?
And then we looked back on that one,
and then suddenly it all became clear. And now do the brakes. Boop, boop.
I can actually reach them.
I know, and look, and it's not going anywhere. Good. And then you've got obviously accelerator pedal, but which isn't attached to anything, but
easy to pull now. Well, for now.
But it's
also
done.
Yeah, sorry, Dad, I keep on interrupting you.
That's all right. I was just going to say, the front end wise, we're there. I think we're going to get a new.
We're going to remove this thing. Yes, the colour is amazing. I love it too.
Matches, so obviously
it matches perfectly. But
what are the problems with that hub though? Steering wheel's over here.
Yeah, it's going to be easy to show you with the steering wheel. So, when we tried to attach it, because we really wanted to attach it, we put them there, but we didn't realise that. Well, I did, but Dad didn't. Yeah, right, so we were going to put it like that, but then I said
the wheel pattern doesn't line up, does it?
No.
I mean the whole pattern.
Yeah, the whole pattern. Look, that would be straight, and then we were either going to put it like that or that. Well, it's just got too many holes.
And also, the holes aren't threaded either, so you can't go straight into them.
They're just straight down. It doesn't make any sense whatsoever.
So I'm gonna go on eBay and see if I can find a better steering wheel hub.
It will be a lot better because on the old go-kart, there were only 3 holes, so that it would match perfectly the
steering
wheel, which would be perfect, honestly.
But it's starting to get there, isn't it? We haven't mounted the seat, and we won't mount the seat until the engine's on, so we know what sort of clearances we have. We've done this before, and you end up doing it multiple times.
I can just see myself driving like this. My arms are gonna be.
That's exactly what you like in a kart, though. You should see me in that kart. It's like someone's wedged someone in. I'm like. Rrr.
Yeah, so this is gonna be fun. So we're just gonna be like sitting down on my knees.
Yeah, so it's exactly the same as me.
It's just really funny.
But it's going to be wicked, and at the same time...
Looking at this now, this looks really weird. I thought this would look normal. No.
What, that?
Yeah, it looks like a ginormous head.
You randomer. But anyway,
so that's what we've worked out.
And we have solved quite a lot of problems today.
Yeah.
We're at least now rolling and stopping, which is massive progress. And
we've learned how to roll, which is incredibly good, but then stopping is really next level, I believe.
It took us quite a while to be able to stop on that one.
It took us too long. Well, and plus,
it scared the crap out of me.
The brakes, the caliper, and the master cylinder, well, they were all still quite old, anyways.
And they hadn't been properly bled for some time. And anyway, you can again that video that video I need to actually edit and put out. But we did fix the brakes on that one.
So for now, we haven't even.
I think I put that in. I think I put that in.
We haven't put out in a couple of videos yet, have we?
Not that one, because we've been
we've
been on this one, to be honest. But that's probably where we're up to today, and we're actually we need to pack now to go on a holiday. So well,
you're going to be able to see that video very soon.
Yeah, so you'll see us on holiday, but this is kind of, and I'll put this out midweek, but this is kind of a cap to where we are at the moment. But hopefully when we get back, we'll have the clutch and other little bits that we might need, and I'll try and order a steering wheel hub. So at least when we get back,
that'll be easy. Well,
yeah, I mean, hopefully I can't mess that one up. But then hopefully when we get back, it's just a case of mounting the engine and putting the clutch on and
what do you do?
Attaching the throttle cable.
Yeah. The only thing I think that I think we might be able to, if we can't get like a head thingy, we're gonna just drill a hole.
We could do, but we'll find one. They're about $1 million. Honestly, it's not too hard.
We've been butchering this go-kart quite enough.
We butchered that one more.
That one we butchered way too.
That was proper Frankenstein. This one's we've kept it fairly.
We've kept
fairly
it fairly
standard.
Intact.
For what? For our.
Yeah, for us.
We haven't cut enough. We haven't got the angle grinder out yet, so.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, we'll leave it here on this episode. We'll come back as soon as we're back from holiday.
And I think our next problem will probably be trying to get the engine to become electric start.
Oh yeah, because it's got the electric start on it as well.
Yeah, so we need to work that out as well.
Oh, it'll be easy.
More problems!
They're more challenges.
More. They're not problems, they're challenges.
Anyway, stay tuned for the next set of challenges.
Yeah, so like and subscribe. I know this was quite a short video, but like...
Wasn't.
Was it not?
No. But anyway.
Oh, well, it felt short. Okay, so like and subscribe. Leave a comment of what we can do to not have to butcher it. Ring the notification bell so that you can be notified when we post
another challenge.
Another challenge.
And we'll see you on the next one. See ya.
Victorious. In this day and age, I got time for innovation, time to be creative, time too big to waste on my time on critics hating, flattered by your opinions to show you I'll just embrace it. Now watch a early sunrise up, no daylight savings, go nuts when I have to. Glaze bet my sound in this beats on the house that we dreaming. Watch me way back up in the castle, my thoughts are distorted, cause I recall guys were hating uncommonly, all of them became common.